AppSec's online support program, Class 8, Week 9, Subject Biology, prepared by Shaista. Textbook Biology 9, Lahore Publishers. Pages numbers are 36 up to 39. Chapter and Unit Biodiversity 3. Lesson Topic: Two Kingdom Classification System, Three Kingdom Classification System, and Five Classification System, and the Five Kingdoms. Resources required: textbook, internet connection, loose sheets of paper. Summary of the lesson. This lesson is about classification system of living organism, dividing them on the basis of similarities and differences. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to explain the characteristics of two kingdom classification system, describe the characteristics of three kingdom classification system and reasons of its failure, explain the basis of five kingdom classification system, and attempt the question number 3 and 4 and question 5 from the textbook page number 49. Recap. History of classification systems as it is discussed in the previous lesson, week 8, round 1. Dear students, can you name some scientists which have a historical background in the history of classification systems? Dear students, our first topic is Two Kingdom Classification System, textbook page number 36. It is the oldest system and classifies all organisms into two kingdoms, that is plantae and animalia. Two Kingdom Classification System. According to it, all organisms that can prepare food from simple organic materials and can store energy that are autotrophs. The organisms that cannot synthesize their food and depend on others that are heterotrophs. Some taxonomists found this system unworkable because many unicellular organisms like Euglena have both plant-like and animal-like characters. This system also ignores the differences between organisms having prokaryotic and those having eukaryotic cells. Our next topic is Three Kingdom Classification System, textbook page number 37. In 1866, Ernest Haeckel solved the first objection and proposed a third kingdom, that is Protista, to accommodate Euglena-like organisms. He also included bacteria in the kingdom Protista. Three Kingdom Classification System. In this system, fungi were still included in the kingdom Plantae. This system did not clear the differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Some biologists disagreed about the position of fungi in the kingdom Plantae. Fungi resembles plant in many ways but are not autotrophs. They are special form of heterotrophs that get their food by absorption. Our next topic is Five Kingdom Classification System, textbook page number 37. In 1937, E. Chatton suggested the term prokaryote to describe bacteria and eukaryote to describe animal and plant cells. In 1967, Robert Whittaker introduced the Five Kingdom Classification System. It is based on levels of cellular organization, mode of nutrition, that is photosynthesis, absorption, and ingestion. Five Kingdom Classification System. In 1988, Margulis and Squartz modified the Five Kingdom Classification System of Whittaker. They classified the organisms into five kingdoms as proposed by Whittaker. The first one, that is Kingdom Monera. The second one, Kingdom Protista. Third, Kingdom Fungi. Fourth, Kingdom Plantae. And fifth one, Kingdom Animalia. Five Kingdom Classification System. The five kingdom systems of the living organisms are animals, plants, fungi, Monera, Protista. Five Kingdom Classification System. Kingdom Monera are the prokaryotic organisms. Kingdom Protista are the eukaryotic unicellular, and multicellular organisms. Kingdom fungi are the eukaryotic multicellular. Kingdom plantae are the eukaryotic multicellular organisms. Kingdom animalia are the eukaryotic multicellular organisms. Five kingdom classification system, textbook page number 38. These are the some examples of the five kingdom classification system. Kingdom protista, that examples are protozoans, algae. Kingdom monera, best example is bacteria. Kingdom fungi, the best example is mushrooms, yeast, mold. Kingdom plantae, broadleaf tree, fern, moss, conifer tree. Kingdom animals, insect, squid, horse, earthworm, sponge. Characteristics of five kingdom of life, textbook page number 39. Kingdom monera, cell type prokaryotic, nuclear envelope is absent. Cell wall is made of non-cellulose. Mode of nutrition, autotroph or heterotroph. Kingdom protista, cell type prokaryotic, nuclear envelope present, cell wall present in various forms. Mode of nutrition, photosynthetic or heterotroph. Kingdom fungi, cell type eukaryotic, nuclear envelope present, cell wall is made of chitin. Mode of nutrition, absorptive, heterotroph. Kingdom plantae, cell type eukaryotic, nuclear envelope present, cell wall is made of cellulose and other polysaccharides. Mode of nutrition, photosynthetic. Kingdom animalia, cell type eukaryotic, nuclear envelope is also present, cell wall is absent. Mode of the nutrition, ingestive, heterotroph. Warm-up conceptual question. Dear students, how can you divide the five kingdom into two groups on the basis of types of cells? We can divide the five kingdom into two. Kingdom monera includes organisms with prokaryotic cells, and kingdom protista, fungi, plantae, animalia include organisms with eukaryotic cells. So we can divide the five kingdoms into two groups on the basis of prokaryotes or eukaryotes. Project work related to these topics. Prepare a scrapbook of five kingdom of classification. Guidelines are resources needed, white pages or colored pages, a ribbon or thread, glue or internet connection. Procedure. Take some computer pages, white or colored. Punch them and tie with a ribbon. Draw and paste pictures of organisms on it related to every kingdom. Write salient feature of every kingdom in the form of bullets along with the pictures. So the first one, that is, please present your work and findings in the written form as follows. Mention the week, mention the subject, date, project name, resources needed. Mention the steps that you followed. Step 1, step 2, step 3 and so on. The findings and the conclusions. And mention who helped you. Write a thank you note to a person who helped you. Attach it with your assignment. Pick up artifacts or stages of experiment. Video attached if any. Come towards the written work. Review question number 3 from the understanding the concepts. Differentiate between two kingdom classification system and three kingdom classification system. What were the drawbacks of three kingdom classification system? Describe the general characteristics of the five kingdoms. Distinguish among the five kingdoms of life on the basis of cell type, nuclear envelope, cell wall, mode of nutrition and multicellularity. And tabulation form and mention this written work on the loose sheets. Thank you dear students. Have a good day.